So you have a colorless STL and you're not quite sure how to paint it. Let me help you. First things first, make sure that you have your desired colors loaded up on your filaments, both inside your AMS and on your slicer software. Next step, we're going to go over here to Objects and select the STL so that you can change the base color. If you double click on that little box, it'll show you all the available filament colors. You'll want to click on your desired color. Now, as you can see, it only changed the base color. If you want to make this a multicolor print, you'll want to select the paint tool up here on the top right. Now, on this paint tool, you'll have a few different options that you can select. First up is the circle and sphere tools. Think of these as your standard paintbrushes. The circle paints only on the surface. The sphere paints in 3D. It colors the surface and a little bit of the inside. Pro tip, use the sphere if you want the color to go slightly deeper into the model for more solid look. Then we have the triangle. This snaps your paint to individual mesh triangles of the model. It's great for sharp geometric shapes. Next, the height range tool is for when you want to change colors at a specific level. Imagine your model is like a cake and you want to change the frosting color halfway up. You just slide the bar and it colors everything within that horizontal slice. It's perfect for adding a different colored base to a figurine. Then there's the fill tool. This is exactly like the paint bucket in Microsoft Paint or Photoshop. It fills an entire connected area with one click. It looks for borders, so if you have a distinct raised letter or a flat panel, this tool will snap the color perfectly to those edges without you having to stay inside the lines manually. The fill tool is a lifesaver, but you have to tell it where to stop. There are two modes that you'll use. The connected, think of this like the flood. It will leak through every open door and hallway until it hits a different color. This is best for painting an entire object or a large section that's already been separated by a different color. Now for the edge detection, think of this like the room. It looks for physical borders like a wall, a ridge, or the outline of a letter. Even if the whole model is white, it will stay inside the lines of that specific letter. This one's best for painting text, logos, or specific parts of a model that have a physical lip or an edge. Finally, we have gap fill. To be honest, this is a tool you'll probably barely ever touch, but it's good to know why it's there. Think of gap fill as your cleanup crew. Sometimes after you're done painting a complex model, you'll notice a tiny, annoying white pixel or microscopic gap in a tight corner that the other tools just couldn't reach. Instead of trying to aim a giant brush at a tiny dot, you click gap fill. It automatically hunts down those leftover unpainted spots and fills them in for you. The golden rule, if you make a mistake, don't panic. Just hit undo or use the erase all painting button. Happy printing!